Hello, my friends. Thank you for joining my channel today. I watched a video from Dominique Sachet. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name correctly, but I will post her video here. And she had a video on the 18 items women over 50 should have in their handbag. So I'm going to challenge you to grab your handbag, what you're carrying now. I'm going to grab my Coach Empire 40 because I just swapped out of another bag and into her. And I'm going to see how many of those 18 items I have. And you can track along to see if you have those as well. Go grab your bag and we'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back and I have the Empire Coach 40 here. And the first thing on the list of 18 items that women over 50 should have in their bag is pepper spray. Pepper spray for protection. I know I do not have any in my bag, so shame on me. So the closest thing that I have in my bag to protection would be a flashlight. That's all. That's all I have right now. So that would be something that I would need to add on in my bag is some type of protection, and that is pepper spray. Number two, a phone charger. And I can check that off because I do have a portable phone charger. This definitely comes in handy. It is a must-have. This one is new. I was carrying a different one, but my daughter had this, and it's so fast. I ordered it. No, well, actually, she ordered it for me because I liked it so much. But it does have the USB-C. I have a 13, so my iPhone has this outlet end to it. So this is pretty cool. I love this one. And it also has the iPhone watch charger. So this is why I really like this one. And you can hook it on a key hook. I just had it in the side pocket in my purse and not really hang it on a key hook. And then it just goes neatly in here. And you can't even tell that, let's see, it's really new. So I got to get used to this, guys. Let's see. Let's see, we got it in here. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry. It's like a button. And you see the little lights that tell you how much charge you have on it. So that's my portable charger. Number three are glasses. And I have my glasses here. These actually are my sunglasses I have. I wear contact lenses, so these are my sunglasses. I need these when I'm driving. So I do have those in here. If I'm not wearing my sunglasses, and sometimes I do carry my just regular glasses, prescription glasses with me. I just didn't put them in here, and I think I probably should, just in case contacts just irritate my eyes, and because I can't see, so I need to have some type of assistance with sight. Pressed powder. I don't wear, I guess I need to pull this out. I don't wear pressed powder on a regular basis, but I do have, let's see what I have. I normally have a face cream in here. Oh, and by the way, I do have a spare contact lens, so that's a check for me then, because I'm wearing contact lenses. And I don't have it in here. Shame on me, but I normally have a small jar of facial cream that I carry with me because my skin is just so dry, and it'll get dry really quickly. Let me hang on with this one right now. All right, and the next is lipstick. Wow, I do not carry. I mean, I do not wear lipstick on a regular basis, but I do wear, let's see, where is it? I do wear a gloss, and let's see, we got one in, and the whole thing to this was to be able to find it, and I just got into this bag, so this may not be good for me, right? I don't like not doing well. Okay, so I normally carry my, oh yeah, I think I carry it in here. My lip gloss, I don't know. So that means I got to put it back in here. I see it on the side of my table here, which is my Fenty. And I must have taken it out because I was using this. But this is a gloss that I use, which is not lipstick. So I will cross that off. But it does have lip gloss as number 6. So I can say, yes, I do have the lip gloss. Fragrance. Yes, we do have a fragrance in this baggie here. Let's see. Fragrance stick. I always carry this little, it's easy to carry, it's very thin, and it smells really, really good too. That's Ariana Grande. Love this, smells very good. So I do have that. Chapstick, I do not have any chapstick, so X that off. hand lotion. Let's see. We do have some hand lotion here. We have the Vaseline all-purpose cream, Cocoa Glow. So we do have some hand lotion. So a check for me there. And let's see, hand sanitizer. Yep, check for me here. I have the Touchland hand sanitizer. Wipes. I have a couple of things. I have some Perel singles to wash your hands. And I have these little cloths. I don't know if you have these, but these are, and I'm going to try one out. Look. So you see how tiny they are? They look like little mints. But they are supposed to, once you add a little water to them, expand. So let's try. I got a little water here. Let's see how that works. Make sure I don't spill everything on. Let's see. We'll try a little water on it. We'll put it in my hand. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. So it does expand into a cloth. And that was you saw that. That was a little drip drop. And now I have a wipe that is damp, with just a dab of water. And I have plenty of those that I carry in my bag. All right, coffee sweeteners. Don't have any coffee sweeteners. I am trying to get away from coffee. I'm drinking more tea. I have been drinking this, and I'll post a picture here. This lemon ginger tea, and it's been really good. I really like that. So no coffee for me. Pain relief box. Yes, we have that. And we have some Advil in there, and that's what we put this in. I got this from the Caribbean, Turks and Caicos, when we went on a cruise and stopped there. It's a cute little pill box. I love it. And floss picks. Well, it says dry eye solution first. So because I wear contact lenses, I use the contact lens purpose solution. So this works for me. And now we go to floss picks. And I have these. These are really good. These are the watermelon pick sticks. So I do have those. Number 16, mints. I have a separate little pouch to carry my mints and little candies in. So we do have that. Check for number 16. Number 17 is a hairbrush. I don't have a hairbrush because I was wearing my hair in braids and I don't need a brush for braids, but I will add a brush in my bag. So X today for a hairbrush because I don't have it in here today. And the last thing she has on her list is a protein bar. I think that's genius because you never know where you are and you get laid over and you just need something on your stomach. I don't have one in here, but I will add a protein bar in my bag. So how are you doing? How many items did you have? So let me check the items I did not have. I did not have a protein bar. I did not have a hairbrush. Let's see. Coffee sweetener, chapstick, lipstick, pressed powder, and pepper spray. So those are the items I did not have in your bag. Jump in the comments those things that you did not have in your bag and what you think she didn't list that you would have in your bag anyway. So I would say for me, just plain old tissues. I have this little tissue pouch here. That wasn't on the list. And then just like bathroom spray. I carry a little bathroom spray. And I love carrying these little ponchos. And this is instead of me, and I got these like from the Dollar Tree. I think it was $1.25 or so. If it's raining or something, I could pull this thing over me and run in and out of the store real quick. So I do like to carry these with me as well. All right. Let me know what you think and anything else that you think should be in your everyday bag. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we will see you next time on Mrs. DLC.
Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.